Aloha! In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to provide attribution, or basically cite your sources for an image in an HTML file. In a previous video, we demonstrated how to save pictures off of a community photo website like flickr.com and download them and reference them in your HTML document. Now, photos on the web are kind of interesting because they have different types of licenses or different terms under which or rules under which you can use them. A lot of images are copyrighted and should not be posted on other websites. A number of images are released under what's called a Creative Commons license. And with these, there are different versions of the license, so you should hover over here and kind of see that it says some rights reserved, and you can click on this. It will take you over to this tab, and it says the license here is an attribution non-commercial share alike, which means you can share and use this in your web page, and you can adapt the work, but you have to let people know where you got it from, and you can't sell it. Okay, and you have to also release that work under a similar type of Creative Commons license. Now, beyond that, you need to be able to include that attribution and this license on your web page. The attribution is fairly straightforward in most cases. What you can do is go back to your website, your HTML document, and you can provide a link to the original image. And we can do that by creating an anchor element using the href attribute, and then what we'll do is we'll go back to the page where we got it from, copy that value and paste it in, and then on the other side just wrap that link tag around the image. So we've provided attribution of a sort. Now, in terms of the licensing, one of the things we can do is simply provide a link and say this image is licensed under a Creative Commons license. And you can put this in a caption or something. I'll just put it in a paragraph. And we can take this, and I'll create another link. And this time, though, we will provide a link to the license. So now we have our document. If we click on the document, if we click on the image, it provides proper attribution by taking us to the Flickr page, you can see. Or if we click on, so there's the Flickr page, it will load. We go back here, and we can click on the license, and it takes us to the appropriate licensing page. Okay. It's a few extra steps, but if you want to make sure that you're following all the rules of the web and you want people to respect your work and your rights to what you create, then it's strongly recommended that you do likewise. So that's attribution in a very simple sense for images in an HTML document. Happy coding. Mahalo.